In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto into your Kraken account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. You will obviously need to have your Kraken account ready first. So you can either log into your Kraken account or just create one if you don't have one yet. And once you are here at the dashboard, we are going to go to the transfer button, and then we can choose to transfer from other brokers, or you can deposit cash or crypto. So right here, you can transfer from Cash App, eToro, and much more. But if you don't want to use that, you can use cash or crypto. So if you click there, you can choose cash and choose any currency you want. Let's say I want to deposit euro. Then we can do that with bank transfer or PayPal. If you want to deposit crypto instead, you can click right here, and then you will see a list of hundreds of crypto coins you can choose. Let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, for example, and now we can select any network we want. So for this example, let's say we want to deposit on the Ethereum network. Now we will see some instructions. So if you are new to crypto, you should consider reading all this information, but basically you can only deposit Ethereum from the Ethereum network, which is the one we have chosen. If you try to do another network, then it will fail. There is also a small minimum deposit. There is an estimated processing time as well. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending a smaller amount first. So after you have understood everything, you should see your Ethereum deposit address, which is this thing right here. You can copy it, or you can also send the QR code or deposit directly by scanning this code. So that's it. That's how you can deposit money on the Kraken platform in just a few steps. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.